Hey guys, I'm back again today with another Labubu doll. This one was also a gift, so I'll need your help to let me know if it's real or fake. Here's the packaging. It's clearly marked with the popmart logo along with an image of the monsters. And at the back, there's also a QR code with a holographic sticker. There's English words written on the box, but there's also some Chinese writing on it, or at least I think it's Chinese. So far, this box looks really legit. And then inside we have the wrapping. And again, it's got a Pop Mart logo and an image of the monsters as well. I also found this cute little card with an image of the Sesame being Labubu inside. Okay, so here's what the doll looks like. The coloring on the face looks good. On its face, it's got 9 evenly spaced painted white teeth, and the skin tone, blush, and nose look good as well. The ears match and they seem symmetrical. The face is smooth, and the little feet turn a bit, but not a full 360 degrees. And then on the left feet, we have the Pop Mart logo imprinted clearly on the bottom of the feet. At the top of the head, there's an embroidered tag that says the monsters, all in caps, and it's attached to a matching gold metallic keyring. The body is furry and it's soft. So, what do you guys think? Leave me your comments and let me know.